Good evening. Today is Monday, 8th of July, and I'm sharing the trade plan for tomorrow, 9th July, Tuesday. Let's look at the daily chart first. Moon phase had its impact today. The market, despite all being well, could not move up. It had opened and tried to go up a little higher. I'm talking about Nifty. Same with Bank Nifty also. But the up move met with a resistance and did not go up and finally came down. However, by the end of the day, there was a clear recovery on both indices, especially Nifty. Nifty's RSI in daily time frame is 72, which is very decent, and Bank Nifty RSI is at 60, which is at support, which is also likely to translate into some kind of a positive move tomorrow, hopefully. On the hourly charts, very interesting. Um, Let me first come back to the daily charts. Bank Nifty could not break the low of 52248. That means this is a very good support that it is experiencing, and it has moved up sizably from there. That means there is a possibility of further recovery from here. So the fall that started on 4th after making the new high has kind of apparently ended, and the moment we see a strength in the upward direction, we are very sure that 52248 was a low that Bank Nifty has made. Meanwhile, Nifty, after the first initial attempts in the first few minutes to go up, it actually went down for 1, 2, 3, first 3 hours. It went on going down and finally started moving up with confidence after 12:15. So 12:15 to 1:15 candle, it made a very good recovery. A little bit of a pause here, and then the recovery continued till the end of the day. If you recall, I had mentioned that 24112 is a possible level where if Nifty closes above this level, we should be happy as far as bullish move is concerned. Nifty did oblige us. It has closed at 24331, which is higher than yesterday's close of 24323, which is good news. Which basically means there is a hope that we can now go to higher levels. What are the higher levels? Let me once again reiterate the higher levels. The first thing Nifty has to do is to cross this high level of yesterday, which is 24363, followed by 24401. 24,400 के ऊपर 15 मिनट तक 15 मिनट if it manages to sustain above 24401, the next level that we can obviously see is 24443. That was here 24443, followed by 24485, which is 43 के बाद 85 and beyond. When I say beyond, what do I mean? Okay, this is what I'm gunning for in this up move. If the swing does play out the way I'm expecting it to play out, and today is Monday evening, in the next few days, if it plays out, if it protects the low of today, which is 24240, if 24240 is respected tomorrow and the up move starts, the candle pattern is pretty decent. We should get up move. 24367 is the first initial resistance here. And after that, with the intermediate resistances, we are in the next few days could be gunning for 24710. At 24710, or let's say about 25 odd points, 30 points before that, I would like to be very cautious because 25,000 is a very strong psychological resistance. And that resistance may come into play even before 25,000. So maybe from 25,700 or even 650, 670 or so, we may see some kind of a rejection for the further up move and we may get a fall. But anyway, that's few days away. For now, tomorrow I'm expecting both the indices to move up. Nifty should lead the show. This is what it looks like looking at RSI. However, Bank Nifty is also not bad right now. It's taking support at 60. So let's see who wins tomorrow morning. But for me, the outlook for tomorrow is optimistic. We have another cycle time coming up tomorrow at 11:45. Let's see if it makes any difference to us. So time will become favorable after 11:45. This is the level for Nifty. Sometimes it doesn't really work that well, but if this is available, then we can probably be a little more assured about which side are we getting the up move, when are we getting the up move. So this is helpful. 13.66 is the closing India VIX, very comfortable, nothing to bother there. So far so good. Let's see how things pan out tomorrow. Um, Keep in mind, I'm taking a minute to think and let you know, keep in mind that the market is experiencing a non-stop up move. Let me show a weekly chart and then also probably. So this is 22 EMA. It's way above 22 EMA, way above 22 EMA. In fact, it is way above 9 EMA also. So somewhere there is a correction lurking in the near future. When does it show up? At this moment, there is no immediate sign. However, 24,401, which is the last all-time high, that needs to break. And if we do not manage to break it tomorrow or in the next few days, we would like to be very cautious. Theoretically, this move can last up to 24,710. Let's wait and watch. I will also give you an indication on if and when there is a fall, what kind of a level can we anticipate. Let me give you a more clearer view on what's plotted. Give me a minute. At this moment, the first key support lies at 20,168, 178, 20,178. So broadly, this will keep on shifting a little bit depending upon the high that we make. So broadly, about 20K is what we can expect if and when market reverses, and that can be a very, very um, what do you call it? Very ruthless fall. First support is at 21,181, which is the low of 3rd June candle, 21,181. So that's the first cut support, and if that breaks 20,178, that's some days away, but we are gearing up for that. And if and when we get the opportunity, we would like to ride this fall, and that can be a very good money in few days whenever that happens. So जितना time लग रहा है पैसा कमाने में on the way up, it will take far lesser time to make far more money when the trend reverses. So stand by, keep your emotions in check. Do not get frustrated with the lack of momentum, etc., etc. Hold on. The opportunity will present itself, and we will know what to do at that time. Okay. All right. Wish you a very good day tomorrow. Go green.